Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today is a special one. I'm really looking forward to this. I've wanted to do this one for a long time. Today we are going to the Hill of Crosses in Lithuania, just near Šiauliai, and I'm going to be taking today's day trip with our good friend Andrew. Oh yes, welcome back to the channel guys. Thanks again for joining us. Please hit subscribe below, it really helps us out. Thanks a bunch. So the Hill of Crosses is somewhere that's fascinated me for years. Pretty much as long as I've found out about it, and pretty much as long as Gabs and I have been together, I've wanted to go there. But we've never got round to it. And now we're here in Lithuania for a few weeks. Time is a bit less precious, so I'm able to take the day to drive over to Šiauliai. The Hill of Crosses, the history is very interesting. It's very, very old, all the way through until the end of the Soviet Union. The Hill of Crosses obviously is quite a religious representation, I would say. There's over 200,000 crosses, but unfortunately, because the Soviet Union didn't support any sort of religion and saw it as a threat to the state, they bulldozed it multiple times, and but the good old Lithuanian spirit just kept rebuilding it and rebuilding it. Yeah, it's a real testament to the Lithuanian spirit. I'll give you a bit more history later on, but now I'm going to drive over, pick up Andrew. What's up?
Hello.
So we're going to head off to the Hill of Crosses now. It's about 2.5 hour drive, and we'll see you when we get there. Hello guys, so we've just arrived at the Hill of Crosses in the car park just outside of Šiauliai. It seems very empty, which is good. The car park seems pretty deserted, but there's a few international number plates here, so it's clear it's a bit of a pilgrimage site for many people. We are gonna get our stuff together and take a walk over there, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Of course, the first thing you see is souvenirs and actually crosses to buy to put there. So I'm gonna buy a cross to lay on the hill. But you know, it's a bit of a tourist trap, but it's kind of nice. I was gonna make my own cross, but I didn't have time, so I'll get one here. Okay guys, just got myself a little cross to lay on the hill. €2, can't go wrong. It's just quite a plain one. There's quite a lot with different inscriptions on and stuff, but I wanted a nice little plain one. Now I'm just walking down the path from the area where I bought the cross down towards the hill itself. So this is the spot that I'm going to plant our cross, just there, next to these older crosses. What do you think, man?
Pretty cool. I like how they don't have to keep it super tidy and everything. It's very wild and natural as it is. People just come and anyone can come and put a cross. Asian Christians and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, like you have crosses from everywhere. I saw an Erasmus Plus cross down there with like 5 different countries represented.
Oh wow. Just thousands and thousands and thousands of crosses. I don't know who counted that there's 200,000.
It's definitely a ballpark.
Just a bit of history about this place. Šiauliai dates back to the 1200s, which is the closest city, but the Hill of Crosses itself dates back to the 1400s. The Teutonic Knights came and took over this place, and this is when the crosses are first thought to have been brought here. But since then, this Hill of Crosses has been used many times, obviously for hundreds and hundreds of years, to represent Lithuania's independence, essentially. During the Soviet Union, the Soviets tore this place down. They bulldozed it multiple times, 3 times, because they were so against religion and the association with religion. They saw it as like an enemy of the state, if you like, which is terrible. But Lithuanians kept coming back here to replace the crosses every time they were bulldozed. Very dangerous, but you know, it just shows how dedicated they were to this land and to their own independence as well. It was when Lithuania regained its independence in 1991 that the Hill of Crosses has stayed here and sort of grown very much since then. The Pope came to visit in 1993 for the first time and sort of gave it his blessing. But it's just fantastic. Okay guys, that's just about it. We've walked all the way around and there's no denying that this place is absolutely a very special place indeed. I'm super glad that we took the 2.5 hour drive up here to come and see it. It's something I've wanted to view for a long time, and it's certainly exceeded expectations. I'd encourage any one of you to come here as well. It's a brilliant sight. Certainly if you're visiting Lithuania.